It never started. Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Gonna look at a scalp trade here. Maybe we're at a bottom. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's take a quick look at what's going on in the market right now. It's been dropping. I think the cues have come down to where it wants to bounce, and maybe we also will get a bounce on the SPY at this time. Let's just jump right on in here and see what happens. I'm gonna do it big too. I'm gonna do it big because I like where it's at. This is definitely not a trade recommendation. This is very dangerous. This is very crazy to be doing this a directional trade on 0-day options, in my opinion. I can see this thing is still trying to drop, and I'm thinking about buying a call. I'm looking at this, and oh yeah, my delta is a little lower than where I normally would like to buy. But let's see if we can get in a little lower than, see if I can get in at 70. And I'm watching my option price fluctuates. I'm watching also where the market is at this time, and seeing what we can do right here. It's trying to go up, and it is definitely trying to go up. Can we get another little pullback? There's another little pullback. Let's see what we get here. How many contracts did I do? Let me see what I did. Got in at 590. All I want to make is like 50 cents on this trade. Great closing. Let's see if that's going to actually even happen here. This is a very, 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 very dangerous trade. Well, dangerous in that you can lose a lot of money. Put it that way. Let's see what's going to happen here. Where did I get in at? Again, 590. Oh, just should have waited on the 70. Let's see what's going to happen. We also just before 11 o'clock Eastern time, so I expect a little bit of a push, a little bit. It seemed like we got a little bit of a drop before we got a little bit of a push, and where I'm trying to get out at. I'm trying to get out at 650. And 640. 650. Just needed to cross over to the bid. 630, 640. There we go, 650. It got us out. It's kind of, I didn't really see it. I saw it once. It's the platform. It should get back up up there anyway. Let's see. I'll wait a few more seconds, to see if this thing is going to actually happen. But that's pretty much it. You kind of it's based on the time of day, and based on where the market is at. Looking at both indexes, what I kind of expect, could have got a little bit better entry, a little lower, 575, 550, then to $6 would have been a lot easier. It getting me out at 650, I saw 650, but in a live account, you probably wouldn't have got an exit here. So that's one of the things when it comes to trading in a virtual account, you gotta realize, a lot of the stuff that you see here, it will not happen in your live account. So again, here it's just mainly learning, just getting you where you're watching the market, getting some kind of market awareness, what happens and what's going on out here, more so than the actual money and execution. You get kind of get a feel of the executions, you know. But there's my 650 again. I want to see that it hit it again, but again, I want to see it there. Now I definitely know I would be out of that trade. So that's what I would really want to see, and that's all I really want to share. You know, these things can be scalped, but you need to have the right tools in order to do these things right and all. That was, since I did it with quite a bit of contracts and all, that was a pretty nice, for me, that was a pretty good trade and all. Here it is right here, 590 to 650. Feel. And that's it. That's all I really want to share. I just want to show you that. And again, yes, I could have held on a whole lot more. A lot of times if I'm trading this, I go for the full dollar, and it's at the full dollar right now. When kind of like when I call it the stars aligning. I got my NASDAQ at a point where I think it wanted to go. The SPY has also been pushing down. I'm beginning to see a reversal pattern beginning to happen in the market. Take that trade. That's me. And again, some of my other indicators and all on another screen that I was looking at, they were also beginning to align too. And that's it. I hope you guys find this helpful and all. This is kind of like what I do, you know, during the day. I also do other stuff, but I love doing these little scalps in the market when I see the setup. And that's it. Have a good one. Right Side Trader here. Talk to you later. Bye.